Hello everyone. So as you can see, I got two locks right here and I'm going to be cleaning one of them. If you saw that video where I removed this lock off a pre-loved Louis Vuitton mini speedy that I recently purchased, I did mention I was going to clean it. So here I am. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This is the one I purchased to remove the other lock. You can clearly see the difference and we're going to compare at the end. To begin, I placed a napkin on my table because it's going to get messy. I am going to be using the Brasso cleaning polish. Brasso, I don't know how to pronounce it, but this bottle right here, I'm gonna link it down below if you guys want to check it out. I have seen multiple people use this one to clean their hardware, so I did purchase it a while ago to clean other hardware I had, but it does say to shake well and use a cloth or a sponge. I'm gonna be using Q-tips. I shook it up so it was ready. And here's the lock that I'm going to be cleaning, guys. I'm going to do about half of it at a time so you guys can see the difference. This is the other one. Remember, we're going to compare at the end. I applied some of the polish onto the Q-tip because it is a small piece. So I don't need that much. That's why I am using Q-tips if you are wondering that. And I'm going to go to only half of the lock handle and scrub it with that Q-tip carefully. I did actually put a lot of that polish on the Q-tip, but I scrubbed it a few times. I switched Q-tips to keep it more clean. I did that for about maybe 2 minutes to 3 minutes, making sure all that polish was removed and I could see that it was getting cleaned. After 2 Q-tips, I still felt like there was a bit of polish on it. So I grabbed a napkin, just a little tiny piece, and I removed the leftover polish. And this is how the lock looked after I cleaned half of it. You can see right there the little handle where it's not clean and where it is. It is so shiny compared to the uncleaned part. Again, this is the one that is newer. And this is the one that had been sitting on the bag for I don't know how long, probably over 10 years. But yes, guys, now I'm going to do half of the actual lock so you guys can see the difference. And look, right away, you can already see a huge difference. All that dirt and gunk is coming off. I should probably had gloves on because I'm not going to lie, guys, it did burn a little bit after a bit. Guys, I know it's my fault. I should have been wearing gloves. Just a little FYI, if you do work with this polish, I would suggest to wear gloves. But yes, guys, look how it was coming out. This was only half, okay? And you can clearly see a difference. Look at that. That's amazing. Highly recommend this polish if you're going to be cleaning your hardware. Look at that. After that, I went on ahead and cleaned the whole rest of the lock. I wanted it to all look fresh and clean. I did go in with those Q-tips at the beginning, but I guess this hardware piece was a little bit too big, so I did go in and clean it with napkins for the rest of it. The Q-tips were just taking too long, so that's why. So right there, you guys just see me wiping it down with some napkins. I was careful, you know, trying not to get on my hands because, like I said, it was burning a little bit. It was more like a stinging sensation and then a burning. Nothing severe, but still, wear gloves, guys. I did wash my hands once I was done. But yes, guys, I just kept wiping it down with some napkins and the polish. I made sure all that polish was gone. There was actually some spots where it kind of looked like rust and I was wiping it on the little lock handle, but it was just not coming off. I'm gonna have to figure that out later, but overall, all that dirt that it did have built up, it came off. And I mean, like I said, you can clearly see the difference. This is how it looked once I was done cleaning it. It's super clean compared to how it was. So yes, guys, I highly do recommend this polish if you haven't used it to clean your Louis Vuitton hardware. Right there is the spots that I was telling you guys about. I don't know if it's because it's just been sitting in that same position for a long time. It had a little bit on top right there where it was like hanging on the bag, but like I said, I'll figure that out later. I honestly don't think it's gonna come off, but we'll see. But yes, guys, look how cute it looks now. I'm thinking about doing something with it. I don't know, guys. Stay tuned because we shall see. But yes, guys, look how cute it looks now. This is the one I took off the purse, and this is the one that I recently purchased. So again, super clean compared to how it was. Look at it. Now they both look beautiful. But yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now you know how to clean your Louis Vuitton hardware. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned a little something. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.